Welcome to another episode of Python Basics for Beginners. Today we'll learn about an amazing data type in Python, tuples. By the end of this video, you will know how to use tuples effectively in your programs. Let's get started. Tuples are like lists in Python, but there's a big difference. They cannot be changed. Once you create a tuple, you cannot add, remove, or modify its items. This is called immutability. Tuples are useful when you want to store data that shouldn't be modified by mistake, like coordinates or fixed configurations. Here we created a tuple named colors. We accessed its items using their positions, called indices. Remember, indices start at 0 in Python. But wait, if tuples can't be changed, why use them? Tuples are faster than lists and are perfect when you want data that won't change. For example, coordinates on a map. One cool feature of tuples is unpacking. You can break a tuple into individual variables easily. Let's see how. Here, the tuple coordinates was unpacked into two variables, latitude and longitude. This is super useful when working with functions that return multiple values. Today we explored tuples. Tuples are great for storing data that shouldn't change. Practice using these in your program and you'll see how useful they are. In the next video, we'll explore sets in Python. Don't miss it. And please share, subscribe, and like this video.